Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is based on how to create Microsoft Azure virtual machine. So in order to create Microsoft virtual machine, first thing first, make sure the device is connected to an internet service. After that, you'll need to open up a web browser, and in a web address bar, you'll need to type in azure.microsoft.com/eu/us. Don't worry about the link, I'll make sure to leave the link on my description box below as well. So creating a Microsoft Azure virtual machine and getting a free RDP or remote desktop protocol access to involve several steps. So here's the general guide to help set up Azure or VM and access it by RDP. So in order to begin with, first of all, you need a Microsoft Azure account. If you don't have one, you'll need to sign up for free trial. So as you can see that I'm here in the official web page of azure.com. So here you need to click on free account if you don't have Microsoft Azure portal account. Now we'll begin with the creation of your account, basically, and enter in all the information that is being asked to you. Now go ahead and sign in with your Microsoft account if you have one. Or else you can go ahead and tap on create account, tap on create one. You can also continue with your same account if you already have an account. In my case, I already have an account, so I'm not gonna just go ahead and create my account. So basically what happened is that when you're creating an account, you'll need to provide detailed information that includes your personal name, your name, and all of that. So you can see that my profile has been created, so I review it all, and you can just go ahead and scroll down a bit and click on sign up, which is right at the bottom. So make sure to mark on this, and you also need to provide all of these information. Now go ahead and tap on the next button. After that, you'll be asked to enter in the payment details. So for that, you'll need to enter in your card details. That will include all of these information. Once you're done with this, you'll need to start with the creation of your virtual machine. For that, in this particular page, you'll need to go ahead and tap on create a resource. After that, search for the Windows server or the desired OS image you want to use it for your VM. Once done, you'll need to click on create button. After that, on step number 3, you need to configure the basis. So fill in the basic information, that is your project detail, choose the description, resource, group, and reason. After that, enter the virtual machine name, username, and a password or SSH key if used Linux. Ensure that allow selected ports is chosen and RDP portal is selected. After that, you need to click on next text to configure the disk setting. The default settings are usually surfaced for the basic VM. After that, under networking, configure the virtual network settings. The default settings are usually sufficient for the most cases. You need to review your VM configuration settings. Click on create to begin development. Azure will validate your settings, and once validated, it will start creating VM. So once the VM is deployed and running, go to your Azure dashboard, find the VM resource, and click open its detail button. In the VM overview section, you'll see a button labeled connect. Now it will provide you with a RDP file to download. Download the RDP file and open it up. When prompt, enter your username and a password you specified during VM creation. You should have remote access to your Azure virtual machine through RDP. So that is basically how you can create Microsoft Azure virtual machine. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.